Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can limit central processor speed to 70%. You can decrease brightness by 10%, and you can also limit apps and home screen, but I don't suggest you to use this feature, only in case if you truly need to save some battery, because it works the way that it limits most of the features on your device and only leaves you phone, I don't know, and messages and I don't know, flashlight or something like that, the most basic needs. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.